This is the service drive. It runs parallel to the expressway. Then we'll be merging on the expressway. I think in about 3 lessons, he'll be ready for his road test. We got to go over there and practice all those things again with very little instruction from me. And many of you said he did well. I thought he did well. We all have to have a complete stop. My turn starts when I come up here, so my turn starts now. 1001, 1002, 1003. Done. I have to get over to the left to merge onto the expressway. I'm looking over my shoulder. I'm going to show you this. Looking over my shoulder. Yep. Now I'm going to get over to the left lane. And then I have to get on the expressway. Accelerate through. See me merge out right to the first lane. Boom. Got it. That car with the brake light out, it wouldn't be able to take the road test. They're going to do an equipment check. No cracked windshield, no broken tail light to headlights. Got to have a quarter tank of gas. Insurance, registration, proof of insurance. You don't have that, you won't be able to take your test. What's up, E? How you doing? You just saw the young man do well. I think he's going to bring his friend next time. I think she's 24 or 25. She wants to learn how to drive, and it's a process. You got to find someone who's patient, who's caring. Oh, there's a lot of heavy traffic here. They done cut me off. That's okay. Can we get to 10 thumbs up? We have 6. I'm trying to get to 10, double digits. E, what did you think? How did he do? Give me some feedback. I always value your feedback because you're very active. I'm taking my time. Trying to keep good speed and good space. Nothing I can do. Like heavy traffic. And this is a great example of rush hour traffic. Hey, that's cut over. I guess I'm just gonna stay in this lane for now. Yeah, he did good. I thought he did good. He was a little rusty. He missed 2 weeks. He was up hanging out at college with some girls or something. His mother told me. I'm like, can he at least call me? I'm driving an hour away. Time is money. Just heavy traffic right now. So in this type of traffic, you just keep good speed and good space. And many of you will be in the right lane. I'm going to get over one lane to the left. I'm going to get in the middle lane. We're at about 60. Speed limit is 70 miles an hour. I'm not a tailgater.